Welcome back to Spanish Serratus. I'm Adrian Rodriguez, and today we're going to be playing Dragon's Rise of Berk. Gameplay part 9, I think it is. Yeah, gameplay part 9. Yeah, I think it's 9. Maybe 10. I'm not sure. 29. So this is 29. Ooh, if I open Rise of Berk daily, I'll get the Catastrophic Quicken, which is good. Which is good. It's what I want. It's what I want, honestly. Catastrophic Quicken is a good dino. It's a good dragon. I mean, I have to adjust my finger so it doesn't come in. There you go. Now you should. Oh, torch! We can find torch boards there for searching. Triple strike. 23 hours. Okay, I can't do that. Literally cannot do that. But anyways, it's been quite some time. It's been more than a week that we have opened Rise of Berk. It's been more than a week since really more than a week. Yeah, so there have been lots of stuff that I have unlocked but not collected. Really, there's a lot. There's really a lot. Um, there you go. Mystery pack. Hopefully we get something. Let's get something. Let's get something. Let's get something. Sorry if y'all can hear any background, um, you know, noise. My sister's watching something, and 1 minute. Oh my gosh! There we go. There's a fireworm princess. Oh my gosh, there's a sleepy fire. So we are definitely getting an egg in this spin wheel. Now, and I spent all of my ruins. Now I only have 3 ruins left on it, but at least I'm gonna know that I'm leaving with an egg. It's either an edge nadder, or it's a sleepy fire, which is uncommon, or it's a fireworm princess, which is rare. Awesome, really awesome. We got daily login, which is good. We got this thing. Wait, I've seen that egg before. I think I know. I think I may know what it is. But I just need to be sure. 1 second. I really think I know what it is. Yeah. I see it. I'm not sure, but I think. Where is it? Cannot find the thing I was looking for. Here. Wind Gnasher. Yes, it is a Wind Gnasher. Okay. Windwalker. Wind Gnasher is all the way. There's a Wind Gnasher. And that is the Catastrophic Quaken. I've never owned a Quaken before. So, if we continuously log in for 29 days, we'll get it. Ooh, Snotlout hurt. No, sorry. I think we had that last time too. Maybe? I'm not sure. I should have really sent dragons fishing and searching for wood before I ended my recording, or I should have before I stopped playing. Literally. Oh, it needs fish, right? So, nope. Sorry, buddy. Alright, so what we can do is search for the Hobble Grunt. Should I? Yes, I am. So doing this. There we go. Then send it from for 18 for all. Okay, let's just wait a bit. Let's send Toothless to get some mini ruins. Let's just send him to get some ruins for free. We got fish, which is okay, but we got 5 ruins for sending Toothless on a journey. There we go. And now we have 8 ruins. So we can defeat Fight dragons in brawl. Let's do this. Let's brawl. I remember I lost a couple of battles last time, but it's completely fine because this time I am hopefully gonna win. Okay. This battle's not that hard. Meatlug's taking on the other the other Meatlug. MN, the Monster Nightmares on Timberjack, Toothless on Defender Gronkle. Come on, team. You got this. I won't have it there. I'll have my face there. Why not? Alright, so attack the Timberjack. That will do. Okay, Gronkle, a little bit of a glitch there. Meatlug attacking Meatlug. Toothless! Big dragon puppy. The Tough Nut in the How to Train a Dragon Race to the Edge series called Toothless, big cute puppy. Honestly, no objections, Tough Nut. He really is a big puppy. He literally is so cute. Alright. Though he may be the probably most deadliest species of dragons ever in How to Train a Dragon, he's still pretty cute and cuddly. Meher is really good. Okay. So, I think we are actually gonna win this. Yeah, we're gonna win this. Let's take him out. Oh, we didn't take him out, but anyways. Toothless can take out. Okay. I think I should attack the defender Gronkle. Toothless is health, OMG. Okay, so Meatlug's gonna attack him. Oh, I should have attacked the Timberjack. But anyways, Toothless is gone. No. So Toothless didn't get any kills. Meatlug took out Toothless's opponent. So technically Toothless didn't take out his opponent. Meatlug literally took out Toothless's opponent. So that means Meatlug. Okay. Oh my gosh! The other Meatlug's not dead. Monster's Nightmare could die. Okay, yeah, Monster's Nightmare and Meatlug are safe. Barely. And Timberjack's dead. And yeah. So Meatlug was the winner of this round. Meatlug got 2 kills, took out Toothless's opponent and her own opponent, and Toothless came in last because he died. Monster's Nightmare took out his opponent pretty easily. Really easy. Right, we have to do another battle and at least defeat two more dragons. 2 more dragons. I can do that, right? Yeah, I should be able to do it. Timberjack Rain. Oh, I can upgrade Raincutter and a couple of things. So let's upgrade them. Oh, I can upgrade Gronkle, but not right now. Right now, let's brawl. So I'll just keep it up there for now. My face will be up there. Smoke Breath, nice. So Meatlug's gonna be taking our Meatlug, Toothless on the Smoke Breath, and Monster's Nightmare on the Defender Gronkle. Toothless is gonna take out the Smoke Breath. Definitely, Toothless is gonna take out the Smoke Breath. Y'all better focus on your opponents. There you go. Stupid Smoke Breath. Okay. So Meatlug, I think they're all just targeting for my Monster's Nightmare. There we go. Oh, I attacked the wrong thing. Why are they all targeting? Okay, maybe I should also do that. Yeah, Smoke Breath is out. Is not out. Oh no. He can't kill Nightmare, but he'll die. But Nightmare is dead. Nightmare has been taken out. But so has a Smoke Breath. Well, at least the Nightmare landed some damage in on the Defender Gronkle and the Smoke Breath, I think. He definitely landed some damage on the Smoke Breath, but I'm not sure about the Defender Gronkle. So at least he died in a battle respectively. And Toothless, he did. Toothless, he died in the battles very, very respectively to help his teammates. And probably without Toothless, my team would have lost. Yeah, basically. Okay, I can kill the defender. Toothless has taken out his opponent very easily, and was it Toothless who took out the Nightmare's opponent? Was I think it was. Oh, Toothless took out his opponent, right? Yeah, Toothless took out his opponent, which was the Smoke Breath. Right. Oh, yeah. So Toothless took out all three of these. Yeah, Toothless. I knew you could do it. He killed all three of them. He literally killed all three of them. What is that at the back, dude? I think it's a Fireworm Princess. It looks to be one. And I think it is one. I really think it is one. I forgot. Did Stormfly have... Yeah, Stormfly had hands. I forgot. I completely forgot. Okay. Away we... Yes. Okay, I can't speed Stormfly up, but what I can do is I have exactly enough to send him for 3 bags. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We have done it. I could have upgraded to this before I sent him. But it's okay. So Gronkle has to get collecting wood. Something else has to also collect wood. Oh, hi Spike Muggy. Lazy. You better not be lazy in collecting wood, lazy. Then we got Roundtail, we got Blue Glow, we got Spike Muggy, we got Mandible. Yeah, there's Broomtail, there's Sailback, there's Longtail, there's Spiky, there's Skinny Neck, there's Pufferfish. I remember Pufferfish. I definitely do. Ooh, Fat Boy. Hi, how are you doing, Fat Boy? Fat Boy's Cauldron. Alright, I'll just train him, why not? There you go. Better be happy, Fat Boy. I spent the fish that was supposed to be for Toothless on you. So I'll just call him back and I'll resend him. Get me all the fish I can. Give me. Until then I can just upgrade. Oh, I can't. This is going to be an awfully short video. Anyways, guys, this is all for today. I know it's really short, but it's all for today. Bye and see you next time on Spanish Ratus.